Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto Repair. We've come to another customer's house to clean in both interior and exterior. The car, it has heavy mold all over the seats and on the carpets. There's a lot of pet hair as well. Both on the seats. This is the dash. They had some water damage. Water had leaked in, and you can see the doors, steering wheel. All in all, it's in a pretty bad shape. The exterior is also pretty bad. There's a lot of dirt. We're going to try to get this car brand new again. And there's a lot of this green stuff which is growing between all the windows, so we'll have to do a good pressure wash to make sure that we get all this and we clean it all. So this is the before video. We will take an after video once we're done, and hopefully we'll have another customer that is happy with the services provided by DNB Mobile Auto. Hey guys, this is Vic. We've just completed the interiors of the car and we're going to start pressure washing the outside, but I want to take a video. It's starting to get dark here. As you can see, my technician has done a great job. He has cleaned all the mold out, and seats are totally clean. There's no pet hair. The carpets are totally clean as well. This was the doors, which were really dirty too. Coming to the front, carpets are spotless. Seats are pretty good too. The front console. Steering area. Middle console. So all in all, it looks like a pretty good job done at DNV. We're going to start the exterior, and if you need any interior detailing work, please give us a call. Number is 604-518-6684. We'll be happy to come clean your cars from the interior, steam them, sanitize them, and make sure it's a safe place for you and your family. Again, this is DNB Mobile Auto.